Hey guys, I just wanted to briefly show you what is going to be in my first giveaway beauty package. So these are all the things you will be receiving if you win the 250 subscriber giveaway. So I'm just going to go through everything one by one, so you have a choice of either $25 or this beauty package, which retails for way over $25. It probably retails around the 200 mark. So this more than likely retails for $200 or more. And I'm just going to go through everything you're getting. So we have a lip set. This is the Bite lip products. We have a lipstick in Nori. We have a lip pencil in 042. We have a, looks like a oh no, this is the shimmer stick in Rose Pearl. Very nice. We have two Wet n Wild Fergie illuminizers. This is the Center Stage collection, and one in Rose Champagne Glow. These are both full size, and one in Carnival in Rio. And then we have a Boscia matcha mask. These are really nice. This is a deluxe sample size. We have the Origins Ginseng Moisturizer, one of my favorites. This is a deluxe sample size. We have the Mansour Big Mascara. This is also a deluxe sample size. It's in black. What else do we have here? I hope I don't miss anything. Josie Maran Whipped Argan Face Butter, one of my favorite moisturizers. Her Mud Mask in the Sweet Citrus, another deluxe sample size. Better Than Sex Mascara. This is a full size. A mini of the Laneige Sleeping Mask, the deluxe sample size in vanilla. Very nice, another favorite. We also have a primer here. This is the Becca Evermatte Poreless Perfecting Primer, and this is a deluxe sample size. Urban Decay All Nighter, industry favorite, and this is a pretty nice 1 fluid ounce travel size. Buxom Lip Gloss, and can we see what this is in Emma? So Buxom Lip Gloss in Emma. Ole Hendrickson Mask Core. This is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Another one of my favorite masks. Love to use this. We have the Purity Made Simple Cleanser. Very good cleanser. One of my favorites. 8 fluid ounces. So this is a pretty decent, you're getting a pretty decent size with this. Daisy Marc Jacobs. This is where you can put this on your phone and create cool pictures with it, and it kind of creates a kaleidoscope effect for any picture that you use, and you can do hashtag MJDaisy with that. So little freebie. And then we have a Sephora primer mask, where you prime your face with a sheet mask before you apply your makeup. And I think that is it. So that is everything that will be in the giveaway. Once again, the giveaway video is up, so go back to that video and comment with the secret emoji that I discussed. Also go over to the Instagram page at Cherie Yvon and join my Instagram there on my beauty page, and you will be entered into the giveaway. And also in that video, comment, you know, if you want to see future videos, comment with the secret emoji what videos you would like to see next. So once again, thank you guys. And this giveaway will be ending September 30th. We are now in August right now, so you have about a month to enter into this giveaway. So thank you so much, guys, and I look forward to many more giveaways to come. This is just the beginning, and hopefully they will get bigger and bigger with each giveaway. All right, till next time. Bye, guys. Okay, so here we are.